today. It's egg Benedict Noble Cassette, Egg Royale. Let's make an Egg Royale cake.
I bake a 4-inch round cake and I fill the cake with rose Italian meringue buttercream. I begin with cutting the shape of pound cake. I use a small serrated knife and I just carve away the cake little by little. Then round off the edges. Remember, you can always cut off more, but it's harder to put it back. Once I'm happy with my pound cake, I started carving the shape of the English muffin.
I want my poached cake to look rounded, so I will cut a secret chamber in the middle of the cake.
Place the circle cutter on top of the cake, then gently press it down to the bottom of the pound cake, but not the English muffin though, because there is no egg yolk inside the muffin. I will use mango puree as the egg yolk. To prevent it leaking, we will need to ice the melted chocolate inside the secret chamber. Let's pour in our mango puree, but don't fill it all the way to the top. Then we need to spread melted chocolate on the final layer of the cake, so it will seal the secret chamber. I'm using an offset spatula to crumb coat.
Then I need to cover this cake with white fondant.
I work around the side and I trim away the skirts. Then use a smoother to smooth it out. I felt like the Egg Royale was just a little too smooth, so I use a wire texture tool and aluminium foil to add some texture. Time to paint! So I use yellow, brown, cream and white gel food color, and I started with the muffin. I dilute the color with water to make the color less intense. I started with the lightest color and build it up. Then I add some dark brown to those toasted edges. Do you know that the trending food pairing for Egg Royales is soup and fried chicken?
I've never tried fried chicken Egg Royale. Have you ever paired fried chicken with Egg Royale? Let me know if it's any good.
I use a clean brush to tap to soften the color.
Let's move on to the toppings and make some chocolate smoked salmon.
I roll out some orange molding chocolate to make the smoked salmon. Just cut it into a rectangle. It's finally the time to dress our Egg Royale. Starting with our chocolate smoked salmon. I made it look if the smoked salmon is tucked underneath the egg. And add some white gel food color to highlight the salmon. To make it look like hollandaise sauce, it's easy. I just add some yellow to condensed milk. Since it's kind of transparent, so we need to add some white as the base color. Just add some more electric yellow gel food color to make it more bright. Just give it a good mix, then I add some cornstarch to thicken it. And leave it aside. To make the tail, I will use the wafer paper. Remember to use the smooth side instead of the texture side. I pasted the tail onto the wafer paper using green edible pen. Then I just cut it into a tail shape with scissors. Look how the wafer paper curls up and look like a real tail. It's finally time to dress our egg royale. Let's pour our hollandaise sauce condensed milk on top. Look how shiny is our hollandaise sauce with our adorable tail. I'm also adding edible gold leaf to the egg royale to glam it up.
And there you have it, our egg royale cake. Let's cut it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then you can check out my latest video over here and here. Do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video.